I have to cut this hair. I don't have a choice.
I'm happy for you, Mommy.
I cut myself as then daddy. So my hair hasn't been doing very great, and I decided I'm going to have a big chop today and be on lookout for a while. So I used to have a very long hair. As you can see, this was my hair before. So full, long, dense and beautiful. I mean really beautiful. Some people even used to ask me if I was purely Nigerian. But yeah, that was it. This is my hair. This is the length. I'm scared. I don't know how I'm going to look. And on the other side, I'm quite confident because I told my husband that by the time he comes back from work, I'm going to be on lookout. And he said, okay, no problem. So let's see how I'm going to look after I cut my hair. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's trust the process. Let's see how it will be. Good job. You finished your food.
Yes.
Let's continue. I've chopped this part. Okay, let's go on.
I'm happy for you, Mommy.
You're happy for me.
That you are cutting your hair.
You're happy that I'm cutting my hair.
Yes,
My daughter says she's happy that I'm cutting my hair.
and you're a student. Are you my student?
I'm not your student, I'm your mom.
Yes, my mom, but you cut your hair.
No.
Hey!
Do you want mommy to cut your hair? Do you want to join me?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, come let me cut your hair. I should cut your hair.
And should I join you? Mommy, I want to join you.
No. Go to the parlor, you're disturbing me.
Go to the puzzle that is stopping me.
I feel very free. I feel like by the time I'm done and I wash the hair, I'm going to feel like myself again. I've not felt like myself in a very long time, and that's what has informed me having this big chop. I used to have a very long hair, but after a very bad relaxer experience, I started developing scalp issues, lots of dandruff. I could literally just wash my hair today, and in a few days time, it won't even be up to a week, I'll start itching and having dandruff all over. And that was because an apprentice somewhere that doesn't really know how to retouch practice on my hair, and she damaged my hair and my scalp, and since then my hair had never remained the same. Serious breakage, and I lost my once very beautiful hair, so I'm going to get that back. And if I can't, I'll maintain low cut in the meantime. I hesitated for a long time before eventually doing this. I cut myself. I cut myself accidentally. I have to stop the bleeding. Okay, I'm back. I'm back.
Mommy, I want to join you.
Join me and do what?
And I cut my hair.
You want to cut your hair too? Your daddy said no. Daddy said you shouldn't cut your hair.
Why?
So if you really want to cut your hair, tell daddy when he comes back. If he agrees, we'll cut your hair.
Want to eat. Mommy, how are you?
Move in.
I want to join you, please. Should I join you?
So I'm going to wash the hair and show you how I look really with my new hairstyle. So I'm going to bun the hair.
That's in the bun.
My eyes are red from washing the hair.
Your mother.
Do I still look like myself?
You know her. You know her.
Mommy cut her hair, see. Mommy has cut her hair. You see the shampoo is inside there. They are ready.
I'll tell you to. Let me drop him in the room.
Drop him in the parlor with. Is there a charger? Anything?
No.
Yes, grandpa.
Grandpa went for me too.
Okay. Is there anything charging there?
No.
So keep them there. Close the door so that they won't disturb me. So this is me. I just washed the hair, and this is the new look. What do you think? What do you think? Do I look so funny? Do I look so different? For me, I don't think it's that bad. Doesn't look like that bad. Yeah. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means so much to me. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.